Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook the ginisang ampalaya that come out to my garden. I have like maybe 4 cloves of garlic, onion, and Roma tomato. I mean, any kind of tomato that you guys have, you can use it. And I have 4 eggs, the ampalaya, the bitter gourd, bitter melon, and the water if I need it. Alright, now let's start cooking. Pasensya na. It's my first time doing this cooking session, so please be with me. Okay. I'm gonna turn this. I'm using my olive oil. Please guys, don't judge my kawali. Marami yung pinagdaanan. When the oil is hot, I like to do the garlic first. So, I'm gonna saute the garlic. Okay. First time kong mag-vlog, magluto ng ginisang ampalaya. So, please don't bash me. I'm learning and try to be confident how to explain the cooking, the way it cooks stuff. Now, kumukulo na, it's frying the garlic. Next is onion. You guys can put as much of onion. I got plenty of onion in the fridge, so I don't mind. Tsaka masarap. It's good when there's so much onion on your ampalaya. And it's good for you. So let's saute that first. Next, tomato. Okay guys, my tomato is saute and it's soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I want my tomato that really cook well, like mushy. That's kind of tomato. When I'm cooking, I want like mushy, like lutong-luto. Cook very well. By the way guys, this kawali, my mother-in-law bought it from the Philippines. I don't know how many years ago, but she gave this to me, this kawali. She gave this to me, and I have this one like 21 years old already.
Wow.
As you can see, it's overused. One of my favorite cookware. Look at that. Frying, saute, everything. So I want to mushy. That's the way I want it. Okay. It's not mushy. I want to cook a little bit more. I'm going to use this one, garlic salt, and a little bit of black pepper. You can put as much as you want. It's up to you. It's on your face. Okay, ready. So yung juice niya, may lasa na. Okay. There you go. It's a little bit juicy. The water evaporated already, so I'm gonna add more water. See? I want that liquidy, like watery. I like that. And then I'm gonna add my ampalaya, my bitter melon. There you go. Then let's mix it. I think I'm gonna put more juice. I want more juice or water. Yeah. Okay guys, ngayon, half cook na siya. Sometimes, some people like half cook. Some people like kind of like perfectly cooked. Because if you cook it half cooked, they're more like bitter, mas mapait. I don't like too bitter. I just want little bitterness, So, I add a little bit of salt. It's up to you guys kung ilan ang gusto nyo. Kung mas salt ang gusto nyo. Let me taste it. Tikman natin. Okay na siya. Okay na konti. Lagyan ko pa ng konting salt. A little bit more salt. Salt. Now, taste ulit natin. Okay na. It's good. Pait. Okay. Gusto ko muna lutuin pa ng konti para hindi masyadong mapait. I want it to cook a little bit more. So, it's not too much bitter. And then I got my egg. Woo! Ayan, like that. And I add a little bit of water here. So that. And then, i-mix natin para yung itlog hindi siya mamumuo. See? Dapat, marami siyang liquid. So the egg kind of like separated a little bit. I guess it depends how you guys prepare. But I want mine a little bit separated. Hindi ako nang masyadong bubuo. Kasi parang sa Pilipinas, di ba? When you cook salsyado or ganito, yung itlog niya, it's hiwalay-hiwalay. Yan, ganyan, like that. See? We're done. Now, let me taste it again. Let me turn it down the fire. See, nawala yung alat kasi nakuha ng itlog. Okay. Now, let me sprinkle a little bit more salt. So, you can always add. Pero pag nasubrahan ng salt, hindi mo na yung matatanggal. Diba nga, kasabihan ng matatanda, you can always add. Yun lang, you can always add. Oh, yan. Hindi ko alam kung ako, itong salt na to ba ay maalat. But I'm gonna add a little bit more. Hindi ako naglagay ng patis. I didn't put fish sauce. So, ganyan lang siya. That's it. It's done. See, I like it like that. Separate yung itlog. Ayoko ng buo-buo. I don't like, like that. That's it, guys. Mainit ang kawali. That's it. Thank you for watching.